Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. I am Hazel Palomar, and my assigned topic is all about climate change. So, what is climate change? Climate change refers to the change in global or regional patterns, in particular, a change apparent from the mid to the late 20th century onwards and attributed largely to the increased level of atmospheric carbon dioxide by the use of fossil fuels. It is a catch-all term for the shift in worldwide weather phenomena associated with an increase in global average temperature. So we all know that the climate change is the change in weather in a long term. Next is climate change, also called global warming, refers to the rise in average surface temperatures of Earth. So this refers in average global warming. That means the heat that we feel in this Earth. So NASA defines climate change as a broad range of global phenomena created predominantly by burning fossil fuels, which add heat trapping gases to Earth's atmosphere. So we experience climate change because of what we did in our environment, like deforestation, burning of fossil fuels, and coal. So next, let's discuss about the causes of climate change. So most climate scientists agree that the main cause of current global warming trend is human expansion of the greenhouse effect warming that result when the atmosphere drops heat radiating from Earth toward space. So human activity is currently generating an excess of low-level greenhouse gases that, unlike water vapor, don't dissipate in response to temperature increases, resulting in a continuing build-up of heat. So that's why na-siya climate change, because of our different human activities. So the first cause of climate change is the water vapor. The most abundant greenhouse gas, but importantly acts as a feedback to the climate. Water vapor increases as the Earth's atmosphere warms, but so does the possibility of clouds and precipitation, making this some of the most important feedback mechanisms to the greenhouse effect. So, the more warm that we feel in this Earth, the more water vapor na ma-store sa ato ang atmosphere. Nga mo ma-store dito sa ato ang clouds. So, ang next nga cause of climate change is ang carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a minor but very important component of the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is released through natural processes such as respiration and volcanic eruptions, and through human activities such as deforestation, land use changes, and burning fossil fuels. The main source of excess carbon dioxide emissions is the burning of fossil fuels, while deforestation has reduced the amount of plant life available to turn carbon dioxide to oxygen. So, because of deforestation, the carbon dioxide will no longer be absorbed in Earth, so it will continue to the atmosphere. So next is the methane, a hydrocarbon gas produced both through natural sources and human activities, including the decomposition of waste in landfills, agriculture, and especially rice cultivation, as well as ruminant digestion and manure management associated with domestic livestock. So ang next topic is the nitrous oxide, a powerful greenhouse gas produced by soil cultivation practices, especially the use of commercial and organic fertilizers, fossil fuel combustion, nitric acid production, and biomass burning. So, usap ko din siya sa makakontribute sa makakusog sa climate change, ang nitrous oxide. Next is, the last one is fluorofluorocarbons, or FCSS, is a synthetic now largely regulated in production and released to ozone layer. They are also greenhouse gases. So that would be all. Thank you.